Malnourished. Not getting enough healthy food to stay strong and healthy. The malnourished child needed medical care. Many animals became malnourished during the drought. Futz. To waste time doing small, unimportant things. He futzed around instead of finishing his work. Stop futzing and start your homework. Ebbed. Slowly became less or weaker. His fear ebbed as time passed. The crowd's excitement ebbed away after the event ended. Digress. To start talking about something different from the main topic. The teacher digressed during the lesson. Let's not digress from the main discussion. Bunkum. Nonsense or something that is not true. He said the story was bunkum. Don't believe that bunkum. Cant. Words that sound good but are not honest or sincere. People were tired of the politician's cant. She ignored the cant and looked at the facts. Pleb. A regular person. It is often used in a rude way. He called everyone else a pleb. People were upset when he called them plebs. Inexorable. Something that cannot be stopped or changed. The inexorable passage of time cannot be stopped. The storm moved forward with inexorable force. Scupper. To ruin or stop a plan. Bad weather scuppered the picnic. The mistake scuppered their chances of winning. Arraign. To officially bring someone to court and accuse them of a crime. The suspect was arraigned in court. She was arraigned on several charges. Ribaldry. Jokes or comments about sex that some people may find rude. The comedian's show included ribaldry. Some people laughed at the ribaldry. Parasol. A light umbrella used to protect from the sun. She carried a parasol on the hot day. The parasol gave her shade. Peril. Great danger or risk. The climbers were in peril during the storm. He ignored the peril and continued. Simultaneously. At the same time. Both teams scored simultaneously. The lights turned on simultaneously. Insurmountable. So difficult that it seems impossible to solve or overcome. The problems seemed insurmountable. They faced insurmountable challenges. Myopic. Thinking only about the present and not about the future. The myopic decision caused problems later. Critics called the plan myopic. Simulacrum. A copy or model of something real. The museum displayed a simulacrum of the ancient city. It was only a simulacrum of the original. Fecundity. The ability to produce a lot or grow very well. The land was known for its fecundity. Her fecundity of ideas impressed everyone. Unconscionable. Extremely unfair or unacceptable. The price increase was unconscionable. Many people called the action unconscionable. Accentuate. To make something more noticeable or clear. The bright color accentuated her dress. Good lighting can accentuate details. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.